Hi, good morning. I am Sayyak here. Welcome to the pre-market report. And last week was a very brutal week for the markets. Okay, and Nifty fell in all the 5 trading sessions. Not only all the 5 trading sessions, Nifty fell for the 8 consecutive trading sessions. This has rarely happened in the markets for the last 2 decades. Okay, and on Friday Nifty closed below 23,000, so it closed around 22,929. Okay, and for the last few months this is the third time Nifty has closed below 23,000. Markets are looking very weak. The health of our market is looking very bad. Also, on Friday, also the 22,875, which was the swing low, that was also broken. The problem is that last 2 times the market had fallen. If you go to see, the first time in 2008 it had fallen because of the Lehman Brothers collapse. Then markets recovered. Then during the COVID times, because of the coronavirus, markets came down. Then it recovered. This time there is no specific reason as such. You may say the markets are overvalued, or you may say because of Trump tariff things the markets is coming down. But before the Trump news was announced, markets were falling. Okay, even we say overvaluation, but we don't know what are the correct valuations. Till then markets will fall. Is that so? So even mid caps and small caps are looking very bad, in very bad state. Our Nifty may stabilize because it is comprises of frontline heavyweights companies, but mid cap and small cap I think will fall more. More pain is there in mid cap and small cap. Nifty I think will stabilize. If Nifty falls more, if Nifty again breaks the Friday's low, then Nifty may come to 22,500 or 22,600 levels, because 22,500 is the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. If you consider Nifty from 19,000 to 26,200, then 50% comes to 22,500. So between 22,500 and 600, markets may stabilize if it breaks Friday's low. Otherwise, the markets will just be in a range bound, in a consolidation mode. Markets will be sideways. That's it. Markets Nifty movement you can see in this in this week. Higher side resistance is 23,600. There are many call sellers sitting over there. Even 24,000 calls. There are many call sellers. I have sold at 24,050 call. For 4 rupees something, because you can't take risk in this kind of markets. Markets are moving. Suddenly it comes up 300 points. Suddenly it goes up 300 points. Every day we are able to see 300 to more than 300 points intraday rally. Intraday movement, from the close to open, or from the open to close. But if you see the intraday movement, it is almost more than 500 points. So you can't really take charge selling close options. If you go to see, if I for put options I have sold 22,150 puts for 12 rupees, 10 rupees. That is the way I have sold. Because it is very risky selling 22,600 call, 23,200 calls. This is very risky. So this much only in the pre-market report. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.